Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Preparing a sample of the appropriate size and weight. Selecting the sample pan type and material. And encapsulating the sample in the pan with the sample press kit are the basic steps for conducting a DSC experiment with DSC-Q series. The sample size and weight should be appropriate for the instrument to be used, and should take into consideration the expected range of results. The sample pan type and material to be used should be selected depending on the expected range of results and the type of instrument to be used. The pan should be non-reactive to the sample and should not contaminate the results. The sample should be encapsulated in the pan. The TA Instruments Q Series Tzero Sample Encapsulating Press is employed to create encapsulated samples for DSC experiments. It has both hermetic and non-hermetic die sets available. Okay, so much for today. Thank you for watching.